So this time I wanted to do something a little different. So what I did was I went on the computer, one of the Facebook groups, and I found a file by Frank Bolton. I think that was his name, Frank Bolton. I downloaded the file. I took 2 pieces of maple and I brought them together. The joint is in here, right here. Biscuit joined those together. After I biscuit joined them, I tried to surface them in the CNC machine because my plane is only 13 inches. Wouldn't fit. So after trial and tribulation, I got it flat. Now you can see my screw-ups. And I ran the program. And after I ran the program, I painted it. Pulled the masking off. That was a nightmare, pulling the masking off. Every one of these little wrinkles in his... No, it was horrible. I'm never going to do it again. This stuff is sticky. I'm trying not to get into the paint because it's still wet. I just don't have the patience that I should, I guess. I just want to see what we got. I gotta walk away. Not on something this intricate. These came off in strings, and the stars were not deep enough, so I painted it all. I pulled the masking off. I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. So I ran the program again. I painted this. I didn't like it. I didn't like the depth of the stars, so I changed that, made that deeper. The problem is I'm using the engraving bits that came with this thing, and they are not carving bits. So I've ordered a carving bit, a 60-degree, half-inch, I think. So we'll be changing that. I didn't like the paint. I didn't like it one bit. This guy was blue. He's still a little blue, but it's kind of cool. There's a little bit of antique-y looking, some of the white paint stained. I couldn't get rid of it. Even I went down a little bit more and ran the program all over again. So we got our details back. There's no paint crap in the thing. I think it looks pretty good. I stained it last night, threw some shellac on it, and I'm going to cut it free. I drew a box around it, and that's down 1/4 inch. I'll get the rest with the bandsaw. I just needed some place that I could follow easy. We'll cut it out. We'll sand the edges. We'll stain the edges so they match. Probably stain the back too. Varnish it up, and we've got some wall art. So if there is anyone in the Army National Guard that might like to have it, rules are in the description.